Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain, and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another great opening. और ये opening फिर से आई है Amazon में, और Amazon हायर कर रहा है 4 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस के लिए. सो हम क्या करेंगे, इस वीडियो को डिवाइड करेंगे 4 पार्ट्स में. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट विल टॉक अबाउट Amazon is hiring operations associate for Hyderabad location. Any graduate can apply. And in second part, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring catalog assistant for Bangalore location. Any graduate can apply. And in third part, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring device associate for Chennai location. Any technical graduate can apply. And in fourth opening, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring for Lucknow location, and the role is Tron associate. Any graduate can apply. So before we start, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब and do like this video so that it reaches the maximum candidate looking for the job. So आपके कमेंट्स मैंने पढ़े और आपके कमेंट्स के हिसाब से मुझे ये नोटिफिकेशंस आया. सो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट बिलो योर क्वालिफिकेशन, योर लोकेशन, क्योंकि मैं आपके कमेंट्स बहुत सीरियसली लेता हूँ. ठीक है. So first we'll discuss about Hyderabad opening. So Amazon is hiring advocacy operation associate. Any graduate can apply, and it's work from home, and the location is Hyderabad. Job description: the AO associate should be someone passionate about supporting a fast-paced operations environment who will enjoy the challenges and rewards of working in a fast-growing organization and in a very international environment. This is a high visibility position with big scope of creativity and self-development. The individual should possess excellent written and verbal communication skills, as the candidate will work very closely with a diverse team. Ability to create and manage works plan, timelines, and accommodate multiple priorities will be critical for success. Responsibilities follows SOPs or managers instructions and ensure tasks are quality complaints. Contribute to project improvement ideas if applicable. Responsible for giving timely responses to stakeholders on related tasks with guidance that is as per SOPs and SLAs. Proactively raises issues, alarms to managers or stakeholders. Meet businesses metrics and goals, that is SLA, productivity targets, and quality benchmarks. Maintain records of day-to-day work by updating trackers or workflow tools. Meets predetermined and assigned productivity targets and quality standards. Basic qualification: good communication skills, ability to communicate with internal external stakeholders clearly and concisely, fungible to transition with work type, flexibility to work 24/7 and staggered week off. Analyze and detect exceptions, demonstrate flexibility to work overtime hours as per business requirement. Strong learning ability. Preferred qualification: good communication skills, ability to communicate with internal external stakeholder clearly and concisely, fungible to transition with work types, flexible to work for 24/7 shift. Interested candidate, link is given in the description box. Please go and apply. If you are from Hyderabad, if you are a graduate fresher, then this job is for you. Now coming to the Bangalore location, Amazon is hiring for Bangalore location, and the role is catalog associate. बहुत अच्छा रोल है ये, and any graduate can apply. Core responsibilities: handle the day-to-day volumes of the assigned tasks and ensure the given SLAs are met per quality standards. Ability to work overtime as dictated by business needs, as much as 60 hours a week, most often occurring in the weeks surrounding the Christmas holiday season. Maintain records of day-to-day work by updating trackers to reflect work done. If there is a possible default on SLAs or quality flag, the escalation in the time to manager or lead. Interaction and coordinating with vendor buyer to accurately reflect the Amazon catalog for price, product details, and other product related information. Flexible with working schedule, accepted to work weekends, holidays, and night shift USR. Willingness to take initiative and responsibilities, including 24/7 365 availability, including willingness to work on weekends and outside of the standard workday. Basic qualification: bachelor's degree in any discipline, ability to dive deep into a problem, perform root cause analysis, and identify constraints to recommend a solution on this. We will test the candidate's ability to think logically through a given issue, structure the thoughts, identify the problem correctly, and then recommend appropriate solutions. Ability to deal with ambiguity, use discretion and judgment to take decisions on critical business tasks based on available information. Flexible with working schedules, expected to work weekends, holidays, and night shift. And preferred qualification, strong written and verbal communication skills is required. Strong business communication skills, ability to communicate with internal external stakeholder clearly and concisely. MS Excel proficiency, ability to mine voluminous data for specific detail according to instruction provided. Strong analytical skills, ability to do high school level arithmetic. Interested candidate link is given in the description box. If you are from Bangalore, if you are a fresher, this job is for you. Now coming to the third opening, Amazon is hiring device associate. Any technical graduate can apply and the location is Chennai. Job responsibilities, a device associate primary responsibility is to execute test case instructions and report discrepancies. A DA is also responsible for successful and on time delivery of results. Roles and responsibilities: execute test cases prepared for testing software built on the Kindle platform and Kindle software products. Perform test case execution and bug report accurately. Understand test procedures and guidelines for new builds releases. Perform regression and repetitive testing exercises to qualify builds without compromising on quality. Use software tools for data capture on daily basis. Be comfortable with capturing results, communicating and escalating failures, and providing individual status reports. Raising all failures doubt related to the execution of the test cases in the clarification portal and closing the same as per the SLAs. Basic qualification: BE, IT, ECE and EEE, BTech, BSc. A graduate in quantitative fields such as science and engineering are required. Good familiarity with the Windows desktop environment and use of Word, Excel, IE, Firefox, etc. are required. Flexibility and interest to do repetitive tasks is required. High level of energy and proactive nature, a sense of ownership and drive and willingness to accept the challenge of day deadlines is essential. Preferred qualification: BE, IT, ECE and EEE, BTech, BSc. Previous experience in manual and functional testing will be a plus point. Interested candidate email link is given in the description box. If you are interested, if you are from Chennai, if you are a technical graduate, please go and apply. Now coming to the last opening, Amazon is hiring for Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh location, and any graduate can apply, and the role is Tron associate. Job description: a Tron associate is required to watch the video of the storing activity in a fulfillment center, understand it truly, and make best use of human judgment and available resources to indicate the activity captured in the video. They are expected to mark the location of product through a tool while maintaining highest level of accuracy. This process helps in maintaining store quality in the fulfillment center. This is an operational role. Roles and responsibilities not limited to: systematically escalate problems or variance in the information to the relevant owners, teams and managers according to the defined processes and standard. Understand performance metrics and process requirements to drive business results in the live environment. Analyze and detect exceptions, meet predetermined and assigned productivity targets and quality standards within expected deadlines. Contribute to process changes to minimize handling time, increase work efficiency, and improve the software tool that she shall be using. Basic qualification: bachelor's degree with excellent academic record, 0 to 24 months of experience required. Preferred qualification: problem solving and analytical skills, proven ability to work productively and efficiently in an independent and dynamic setting, proven ability to clearly communicate with managers and associates at all levels, global perspective and solid understanding of business objectives, excellent attention to detail and focus on the highest level of accuracy. Interested candidate link is given in the description box. If you are from Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and if you are a graduate and if you are looking for a job, then this job is for you. Link is given in the description box. Please go and apply, and please do share with your friends who are actually in need of job. अभी मुझे नोटिफिकेशन है ये जॉब्स का, लेटेस्ट जॉब्स है, सो अप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल. पहले आप खुद अप्लाई कीजिए, देन शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. and you can also support me by subscribing my channel, and you can also join my Telegram channel. Compared to YouTube, I share more jobs on Telegram. Thank you. Best of luck.